Well, I'm not sure how this semi-truck drove off the freeway. Probably fell asleep, I'm assuming. Yeah, it just barely happened if you look off to the left there. Yikes. Ooh, pride truck. Just happened. Hopefully he's all right. Yeah, right now that's going, I-15 towards Vegas. Yikes. That's kind of God, that's a crazy accident. Broad daylight like that. Must have fell asleep. What's strange is he was going uphill, and uphill is kind of got like maybe 45 miles an hour right there, because it's really steep if you're fully loaded. So have to check the news, I guess. Another accident on the freeway. All right, take care, guys.